तस्यारविन्दनयनस्य पदारविन्दं किञ्जल्कमिश्रतुलसी मकरन्दवायुः अन्तर्गत स्वविवरेण चकार तेषाम् संक्षोभमक्षरजुषाम् अपि चित्ततन्वोः. How beautiful, how beautiful. सुसुखं कर्तुमव्ययं भक्ति Rajavidya, Rajaguhyam. So confidential, huh? So confidential. It's like an open secret. Like Harinam is an open secret. Where Bhagavan is here, right here. Cheto darpanamarjanam bhavamahadavagni nirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivanam Anandambudhivartanam Pratipadam Purnamritasvadanam Sarvatmasnapanam Param Vijayatem Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. This is Nam Mahatmya. This is what Sri Harinam does. This is the Mahatmya of Sri Harinam Prabhu. Washes the dirt off I and my. Makes everything Krishnamayam. Inside out Krishnamayam. This Harinama Shri Shri Radha Krishna are given by Nityananda Rama, Shri Guru. And Gaurachandra teaches the ways of bonding with the Harinama. Oh my God, that's so much more than just Chetodarpanamarjana. Chetodarpanamarjana means there is only Krishna, 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 and Krishna inside out. There is no I and my, but just Krishna. That's only a beginning. And Gauranga Mahaprabhu causing such great attachment to Krishna, a loving absorption in Krishna. Nam namakari bahudang nija sarva shaktis tatrarpitani amita smaranena kalam etadrishi tava kripa bhagavan mama durtaiva mitrishamiha janina anuraga. Anuraga for you, please. Not look for this one or that one, this thing or that thing, but look for Krishna, 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 Krishna. Krishna is everywhere. Look for Krishna. Hare Krishna, 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 Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And pray for fond attachment, Anuraga, to Krishna that is present everywhere and is so mercifully present right here in one place as Hare Krishna, 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Trinadapi sunichena tarori vasahishnana amani namanadena kirtaniya sada. When will we be able to see the Lord is present everywhere? The Lord for to whom everything belongs, in humility. When we are in humility, when we are in relationship with Guru and Krishna, established in that relationship, then we will be able to see. It's the mercy, it's the causeless mercy that will make us see Krishna everywhere. And naturally there will be Taroreva Sahishnana and Amanina Manadena. Nadanam na janam na sundarim kavitam vajagadisha kamayi mama janmani janmani ishwari bhavatad bhaktiya haitu kitvayi. Even the fact, even to hear this Sri Sikshashtakam of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, if we consider this as causeless mercy, even to hear these, what to speak of understanding, what to speak of the mercy that keeps us in Sri Sikshashtakam, purely the mercy of Sri Guru and Gauranga. that keeps us with the Nama. Ainanda tanuja kinkaram patitam mam vishame bhavam budam कृपयां तव पादपङ्कज स्थितधूलिसदृशं विचिन्तया. हे नन्दतं च Krishna, and very kindly keep us as a saffron dust particle at your lotus feet. Pick us up from this muck of modes, ocean of modes, and place us as dust particle as a saffron dust particle at your lotus feet. Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nayanam Galadashrudharaya Vadanam Gadgadarudhaya Giram Pulakair Nichitair Vapukada Tava Nama Grihane Bhavishyati. Because there is nobody else visible but Krishna, the only object of love, Priti Vastu, and can let him go. Yogayitam nimishena chakshusha pravashyayitam shunyayitam jagat sarvam govinda virahin aslishya vapataratam pinastumam adarshanam marmahatam karotu vam yada tadha vidadhataulam tato matprananathasthu sayevana paraha prananatha, existing simply for you, the life air. The very life air is meant for you. What to speak of this dhyana, manasu, and buddhi, everything simply meant for you. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Whoever hears or recites this Shashtakam given by Srimad Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Tara Madhya Sarvasreshta Nama Sankirtana Niraparadha Nama Lele Bhaya Premadhanam. Of all the angas of Bhakti, Nama Sankirtana is the best because it is this Niraparadha Nama. This is the only reality, only beautiful reality. Atayeva Nama Matram Vaishnavera Dharma Name Prasputita Hoile Rupa Guna Karma, the only beautiful reality. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री हरि नाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य